Let's do a new one, man. Let's do this month. This is all this month. That's crazy. Did we watch this one? We did not.
Hey, Metalheads, it is Steve Buzzard, your host of Griber. Today. Oh, man, I didn't really want to know.
Voices in my head keep on telling me to pray, cause I'm spinning like a carousel, circling the train. Hit the bottom of the bottle, I don't wanna feel the pain, but that is all I got for now. I don't wanna talk about the voices in my head keep on begging me to stay. If I pull the trigger now, then the demons go away. And I know my time is coming, so there ain't no time to waste. So that is all I got for now. I don't wanna talk about the voices in my head keep telling me to choose a side. It's heaven or hell, like it's do or die. I'm a sad boy, you know better. Please don't make this last forever. The voices in my head keep telling me I'm not okay. It's feeling like a hurricane in my brain. Dark clouds, hard times, bad weather. Please don't make this last forever. The voices in my head keep on telling me I'm gonna. And I don't wanna talk about the trauma. They're telling me I'm fine, but we both know that's a fucking lie. I'm losing my mind, but I don't wanna talk about it.
Okay, let's stop right there. I'm really trying to take this all in. So now it makes a little sense. Okay, obviously this is the lead singer, Ronnie Radke, I believe is his name. He was incarcerated and stuff, and obviously this song is very personal. And in a way, I'm thinking about it. It's maybe good that I have the background, right? Because this is a personal song. Wow, just kind of, that was like a shock value there, but I like it. Let's keep it going.
My head keep giving me the worst advice. Kamikaze crash like a suicide. I'm a lost boy, you know better. Please don't make this last forever. Keep telling me that I'm insane. And maybe I'm a little bit that won't change. Hard clouds, hard times, bad weather. Please don't make this last forever. The voices in my head keep on telling me I'm gonna.
Wow.
And I don't wanna talk about the trauma. They're telling me I'm fine, but we both know that's a fucking lie. I'm losing my mind, but I don't wanna talk about. Voices in my head keep on telling me I'm cursed. I'm paranoid, I don't wanna make it any worse. We're all gonna die, but first things first. I'm gonna take the world with me when they put me in the dirt. The voices in my head keep on telling me I'm cursed. I'm paranoid, I don't wanna make it any worse. We're all gonna die, but first things first. I'm gonna take the world with me when they put me in the dirt. Move!
Ooh! Let's go! Favorite part of the video, right here. I like this. Yeah, I like this part right here. Ooh. I mean, what's going to happen next, right? Not looking good. Kill all those voices in your head. Wow.
Yeah, he loved it. Experience the Bud Cup podcast. Thank you, buddy. I love that these people always react. People just go crazy over this, huh? Let's watch this guy.
Falling in reverse, voices in my head. I am a musician, Holland.
In my head, keep on telling me to pray. Cause
Oh,
I'm
he's
spinning
bald
like a
like me.
carousel, circling the train. Hit the bottom of the bottle, I don't wanna feel the pain, but that is all I got for now. I don't wanna talk about the voices in my head keep on begging me
Oh
to
shit,
stay.
he
If I pull the
meditated, let that
trigger
motherfucker
now, then the
float.
demons go away. And I know my time is coming,
He's
so
still
there
got
ain't no
that
time
flow,
to waste.
eh?
So that is all I got for now. I don't wanna talk about the voices in my head keep telling me to choose a side. It's heaven
That's
or
what I
hell,
remember
like
Ronnie
it's do
looking like.
or die. I'm a sad boy, you know better. Please don't make this last forever.
Oh shit, dude. Is this what he looks like now? Yep. Whoa, there's that range. That's gruesome. Ronnie looks good. It's a good song. Oh, TikTok. Dude, do you guys follow him on TikTok? He is hilarious, dude.
I'm a lost boy, you know better. Please don't make this last forever.
This video is very interesting. It's kind of stealing me from the song. There's that range. That's sick, dude. This chorus is sick, very hooky. I love hooks.
Voices in my head keep on telling me I'm cursed. I'm paranoid, I don't want to.
We're trap metal now.
We're all gonna die, but first things first. I'm gonna take the world with me when they put me in the dirt. The voices in my head keep on telling me I'm cursed. I'm paranoid, I don't want to make it any worse. We're all gonna die, but first things first. I'm gonna take the world with me when they put me in the dirt. Move!
Okay. You still got those breakdowns, I see. Oh, yeah. I always loved his screams too. He's such a good screamer. He's got highs, he's got lows, he's got the fry vocals, the gutturals, he's got everything, man. This chorus is really good. I like this. Oh, is he just envisioning all this when he was in jail? Well, that was good. It's been a while since.
It's really funny the way he speaks. Very sarcastic. Well, that was good. You know what I mean? Like, the way he speaks can come across as like he's got better things to do, but in fact he doesn't. He does not. Not better things than me. You know what I mean? Well, that was okay, I guess. I think it was okay. It was. Well, the chorus is good. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. But yeah, he's nice. He's nice. He's just probably not intending it to be like that. I always wondered why. You always got to pay attention to the way people speak. Sometimes they subconsciously speak that way without realizing it. When someone's like, "Damn, that was actually good." If someone ever uses "actually" in a sentence when they're complimenting you, that means they weren't expecting it to be good. So they were expecting you to not do good, and then they were impressed because, you know. So whenever you say, when someone's like, "Damn, that was actually good," you call them out on it. Actually? What do you mean actually? What is that supposed to mean? So you didn't expect it to be good? You know what I mean? You gotta listen to everything. Listen close. Maybe too close.
Look, it's 23rd MAB, and we on, man.
What's up, MAB?
Cook.
First of all, your camera. You in a steam room, bro?
Hey, man, look, so today, though, I said...
It's foggy. You in a steam room?
So today...
Pray, cause I'm spinning like
Sub button. Let's get straight into this banger. I'm excited. Let's go.
the voices in my head keep on telling me to pray. Cause I'm spinning like a carousel, circling the train. Hit the bottom of the bottle, I don't wanna feel the pain. But that is all I got for now. I don't wanna talk about
Let's build up
voices in
that.
my head keep on begging me to stay. If I pull the trigger now, then the demons go away. And I know my time is coming, so there ain't no time to waste. So that is all I got for now. I don't wanna talk about the voices in my head keep telling me to choose a side. It's heaven or hell, like
They got an interesting vibe.
Bro, your camera, dude. Clean your camera lens. You're in a steam room right now,
A little
dude.
bit of everything. If it sound fire to me, I'm
Dude,
listening to it. You can't
It's like
put me in no box,
150
nigga.
degrees in his room right
Whatever.
now.
They got some fire shit, bro. I'm telling you. Like, I heard like 5 of their songs. Now guap.
You're gonna literally. He thinks this is good. He's gonna lose his mind, bro.
But
I
like-
can't
like-
wait till you guys are gonna lose your mind. You guys are gonna lose your mind.
Like 4 of them. I only like that shit.
I'm a sad boy, you know better. Please don't make this last forever.
Wait, nigga.
He's funny as shit.
What? Why he gonna walk in and off himself like that? That's crazy.
I'm not okay. It's feeling like
He's got a New York vibe.
Please don't make this last forever. The voices in my head keep on telling me I'm gonna. And I don't wanna talk about the trauma.
I know this video is not gonna be him just killing himself over and over again.
What do you think?
It better not be, bro. I don't want my boy just out here like.
Bro, you're sitting in a sauna right now, bro. Clean your camera. You look like your video looks like one of those prisoners of war videos in Afghanistan where they're like have the Americans held captive and they have to talk on camera. That's how you're using a Sidekick 3 from 2006, routing it into your computer as a camera right now, bro. This dude's on literally 100 frame. What is it? 1080. 1080 is your standard right now. He's on literally 270 right now. When YouTube first started. No, it's not even Logitech. This man's on a. This man has a camera with a dirty window in front of it on purpose.
That ain't weird. That gotta watch that. That ain't gonna go up.
I'm losing my mind, but I don't wanna talk about it. Voices in my head keep giving me the worst advice. Kamikaze crash like a suicide. I'm a lost boy, you know better. Please don't make this last forever. Voices in my head keep telling me that I'm insane. And maybe I'm a little bit that won't change. Dark clouds, hard times, bad weather. Please don't make this last forever.
He fucking himself up. He fucking himself up around this motherfucker.
He's cool though. He's got like a Philly vibe. He's got an accent like Philadelphia or New York or New Jersey, something.
Damn. Hey man, the song is fire though. I like the song. A few of these songs I got on my workout playlist. You know what I'm saying?
Wow. Yeah, you can tell he goes to the gym. Look at them muscles, bro. This dude's ripping right now, bro.
Like when I'm working out, he made it lift something. Like I'm a big dog out there, as you can. Boy, would you hear me? So get me like ready to go, like legit. I use music for every occasion.
I like that.
I got R&B.
I respect that because like how some of these YouTube channels are. They can be very one-sided. You don't expect him to be listening to this. You expect him to be listening to straight up rap, dude. And I'm not saying that to be like whatever, dude. I'm just gonna straight up say how it is. He probably reacts to mostly rap, right? Let's be honest. Yeah, stereotyping. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. And there's nothing you or anybody can do about it. Of course, I'm gonna assume that because that's what we're used to seeing, right? But yeah, I assume that he loves hip hop and rap and stuff like that. And so for him to listen to this and while he's working out, it says a lot because that means the song is huge. That's awesome. You know what I mean? I think that's sick.
You know why? You know what I'm here for? You know what I'm here for? I got R&B for that. I got hip hop for my my heavy hip hop head. I want to listen to some shit and listen to some fireness, and I listen to a little bit of rock here and there. I got R&B on my playlist.
You don't wanna talk about the trauma. They're telling me I'm fine, but we both know that's a fucking lie. I'm losing my mind, but I don't wanna talk about. Voices in my head keep on telling me I'm cursed. I'm paranoid, I don't wanna make it any worse. We're all gonna die, but first things first. I'm gonna take the world with me when they put me in the dirt. The voices in my head keep on telling me I'm cursed. I'm paranoid, I don't wanna make it any worse. We're all gonna die, but first.
That beat disgusting, by the way. That beat nasty. Talk. That beat.
First things first, I'm gonna take the world with me when they put me in the dirt. Move!
That's it's like I'm watching a movie. This is crazy.
I don't wanna talk about the trauma. They're telling me I'm fine, but both of that's a fucking lie. I'm losing my mind, but I don't wanna talk about it. Keep on telling me to pray, 'cause I'm spinning like a carousel, circling the train. Hit the bottom of the bottle, I don't wanna feel the pain. I'm losing my mind, but I don't wanna talk about it.
That's crazy.
Much love, bro. Man, I appreciate you. Appreciate you, bro.